The following is brought to you by PaulAkers.net.
So people always say to me, how do you work with your vendors, Paul? Well, Nick is 6'8". He's one of our vendors. He takes care of all of our yard and maintenance. I watch him work. He's totally uncomfortable. He's bending over all the time, very difficult. I say, Nick, we got to fix that. I run down to the garden store real quick, to Carl's, get an extended head, and also get an extended handle. Got rid of the old handle, extended the head out, and now look at Nick. Totally upright, completely comfortable, working flawlessly with no problem. All his life, he's been working bending over. When he comes to FastCap, we fix everything. That's how we work with our subcontractors. We help them learn lean through continuous improvement. But that wasn't enough. Then Nick was bushwhacking a bunch of stuff with another hedge trimmer. We went upstairs, re-sewed the entire harness because he's left-handed. The whole thing over in our sewing department. Natasha sewed it up. We fit him perfectly. We went down after we got it all fitted. It worked perfect, and we made it adjustable. So Nick started cutting. Away you go. It just worked out perfect. But then we found out, as soon as Nick started using it, I still noticed he was picking it up. We're at the Gemba. We're learning at the Gemba. He's still supporting it a little bit. I say, no, let's stop. Let's make an adjustment. Made an adjustment. Now it's completely resting on the harness. He's doing great work. Everything's super easy. This is what continuous improvement looks like, and this is what it looks like working with your vendors, helping them improve and understand the power of continuous improvement.
Brought to you by PaulAkers.net, where you'll find all Paul's books and lean resources for free, including the new 2-second Lean Play app, like Audible, but free. To listen to Lean is Lean on the 2-second Lean Play app at PaulAkers.net.